Aircraft Manufacturing Factory was established in 1975 to undertake manufacturing of a primary flying trainer aircraft, and that is why it is the frontline aviation product of Pakistan. An aviation industry is considered at its pinnacle when it has the capability of manufacturing a modern fighter aircraft. The aviation industry in Pakistan has experienced a tremendous growth in last 30 years. Over the years, AMF's stature as aircraft manufacturer grew manifold, with successive capability achievement to manufacture jet aircraft trainer K-8 in late 80s, unmanned aerial vehicle Falco in 2008, and the modern jet fighter aircraft named JF-17 Thunder. Today, Aircraft Manufacturing Factory has the capability of manufacturing infrastructure, core capabilities, and state-of-the-art technologies for manufacturing of JF-17 aircraft. The manufacturing of JF-17 Thunder fighter at Aircraft Manufacturing Factory has brought Pakistan amongst select group of countries of aviation world. Attainment of this capability in less than a quarter of a century itself speaks of the highest standards of dedication that AMF engineers and technicians showed since the word go. The aircraft was named Mashak, meaning proficient. After successfully producing 92 Mashak aircraft, AMF acquired the status of Original Equipment Manufacturer or OEM in 1981. Within a short span of just 30 years, AMF has produced more than 300 Mashak aircraft, which are successfully flying not only in Pakistan but also in foreign countries. Equipped with Lycoming 260 horsepower engine, advanced avionics package, Garmin and Dynon glass cockpit, and side-by-side seating for instructor and student pilot. During the course of manufacturing, AMF, in order to improve the design and performance, produced an upgraded version of aircraft in shape of Super Mashak. Super Mashak forms an ideal platform for a variety of roles. Short takeoff and landing distance, higher G-load bracket, excellent stall and spin recovery, and above all, excellent after-sales spare and structural spare support are some of the key features rendering Super Mashak aircraft to be far superior than its contemporary primary flying trainer aircraft of the same class. The first phase of aircraft assembling starts at aerostructural build-up facility. The aircraft starts to take shape at final assembly setup where sub-assemblies, all system parts, engine, piping, cabling are installed and integrated before sending the assembled aircraft to flight test station for stringent power on and functional checks of each and every system of the aircraft. This is followed by a series of aircraft ground runs and quality shakedowns before finally handing over it to the test pilot for yet another series of functional check flights to ascertain the airworthiness. Keeping abreast the evolving trends in aviation, AMF decided to venture in manufacturing of unmanned aerial vehicles through the latest carbon composite material processes. Pakistan Air Force, after a comprehensive operational and technical evaluation process, decided for establishment of Falco UAV manufacturing facility at AMF. Machining Center for production of aircraft parts is equipped with state-of-the-art conventional and CNC machines. Parts with relatively lesser accuracies are manufactured on conventional machines, whereas complex parts involving higher accuracies and profiles described by higher order polynomials are manufactured utilizing the CNC machines, integrated with computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing systems.